So, hi guys, I'm back and I saw Lizzie Winkle in here. I didn't get to get a screenshot, but she is amazing. Like, amazing. I don't know where she went, but, oh, she's here. Lizzie, making a vid. Lizzie, I'm making a vid. Where did she go? Lizzie, I'm your biggest fan, everyone. Lizzie, where did you go? I want to get a screenshot. I'm gonna look for her. While I look for her, I'm gonna get a screenshot with her. Yep, everybody's a huge fan of you. Lizzie, can I screenshot? I have to get a screenshot. Lizzie! 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 Get a screenshot! Can I get a screenshot? Can I get a screenshot? Can I get a screenshot? Please, can I get a... OMG, guys, pose! OMG, guys, pose! This is going to be the best thing ever, so I'm gonna pause the video, guys. So, guys, I was able to get a screenshot with her, and it's the best. Oh, Lizzie, please add me. This is the best moment of my life. Lizzie, please add me. Please add me. Please, Lizzie. Rip. They just boring. Yep. Go! Lizzie, please, add me. Add me, please, Lizzie. I can't believe I'm meeting Lizzie. I want her to add me so bad. Everybody's following her because she's Lizzie. She's Lizzie. She's really famous modeling maker. Yeah, Santa. Oh yeah, and guys, I really want those antlers because I already have no. Lizzie, good work. Santa's God. I can't take it. Jingle bells, what? What did you just say, jingle bells? Did you just say the jingle bells are here? Jingle all the way. Girl, you got me. Okay. Well, I'm gonna find Lizzie again. I'm meeting Lizzie. OMG. 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 I just can't. Where did she go? Lizzie! I need to find you. I want to get... Where did you go? Lizzie. Lizzie. I want to find you again, Lizzie. Please, friend me.
Si no acabo yo en el sillón donde estoy sentada, está ahí
right here. Lizzie, please, add me. Lizzie, please, add me. We see you. Yeah, Riley, it's Lizzie. Yeah, Riley, it's Lizzie. Lizzie, please. Run me. Lizzie, please run me. Lizzie. Oh, what? This is the best day of my life. Oh! Oh, it's Jingle Bells! He's coming! Santa, yes! Lizzie, please! Red me! Lizzie, please red me! Please, red me! I'm back! Oh, the gifts! What did I get? Yay! Yay! So guys, I'm gonna put on the antlers real quick. Wherever she went, I am so happy. I'm so happy that I met Lizzie Winkle.
You know it's recording, right? Oh, sí, Nina también. Pues no sé si se va a hacer el video, mami.
Sorry about that.
Yo no sé si se va a oír porque
I met Lizzie Winkle, guys. I met her. What is Lizzie famous for? Her models. She's famous for her models. She is famous for her models. I am going to find you. Wherever you went, Lizzie, I'm going to find you again. I'm going to find her. Wherever she went, I'm going to find her. This is so amazing. I met Lizzie Winkle. I am so happy, so happy, so happy. I got a screenshot with her, with everybody. And I met her. This day can't get any better. Like, can't get any better. Any better. I got the antlers I wanted when I met Lizzie Winkle. She's just a miracle. Lizzie Winkle's a miracle. She got me, when I met her, I got the antlers, and I met her life. Yeah, this is the best day of my life. Like, actually. I can't believe I met her. Well, guys, that was all for today. Sorry that I haven't been uploading for a while. I'll see you later. Bye, and Merry Early Christmas.